Education na the foundation for development, and Ambrose University AAU Ekpoma get special place for Edo State as na the school wey don produce some of the brightest people for Naija, and na our duty to bring back the lost glory and make sure say they exist. Governor of Edo State, Senator Mandi Okpagolo, talked this one during the inauguration of the Governing Council of Ambrose University Ekpoma for the new festival hall, Government House, Benin City. As in charge, the council say make them work hard to bring back the glory of the institution. The council members now Chief Dan Orbih as Chairmo of the council, Professor Friday Okonofwa, Professor Steve Amiemekalu, Honorable Lukman Muhammad, Professor Idalu Jeremiah Waifo, Professor Eric Kelly Omogbai, and Professor Mariyu Ikpamosa Usahon. The governor urged the council to work with vision, dedication, and strong sense of responsibility, say make them work together to restore the university's reputation as center of academic excellence. A contact say one of the first things when in government do to bring back the university glory now to increase the school subvention from 41 million to 500 million every month, and say this bold move shows say them serious to revive AAU. Ekpoma also talks say them bring special support to help develop infrastructure and make sure say students and staff get the tools they need to succeed. To the members of the Governing Council, Oga Governor come here and say this na the time to make big change, say them choose them sake of say them get faith for their ability to bring back AAU glory. To the university community, management, staff and students, Okpagolo come assure them say in government go continue to support them in any way they fit, say together then go build bright future for Ambrose University.
It is a great pleasure that I welcome you all to this inauguration of the very constituted Governing Council of Ambrose University, Ekpoma. Education is the bedrock of development, and Ambrose University holds a special place in the history of Edo State. The institution has produced some of the finest minds in Nigeria, and it is our responsibility to restore its lost glory and ensure its continual existence. One of the first was to increase the university monthly subvention from 41 million to 500 million. This is a bold step. It reflects our commitment to the development of Ambrose University. We have also introduced special intervention to accelerate infrastructural development, ensuring that students and staff have the resources they needed to strive. Through the effort we are able to clear the backlog of the medical students, leading to 126 graduates, a testament to what is possible when we commit to real change. To the members of the Governing Council, this is your time to make a lasting impact. You have been chosen because we believe in your ability to restore AAU lost glory. I urge you to strive with dedication, vision, and deep sense of responsibility. Let us work together to restore its reputation and make it a center of academic excellence once again. To the university community, management, staff, and students, I assure you that this administration will continue to support you in every possible way. Your success is the success of Edo State. Today, we will build a brighter future for Ambrose University. Thank you and God bless you.
Chairmo of the council, Chief Dan Orbih, on behalf of the council, thank the governor for the chance to serve, say education are the key to the future of Edo State and the role of AAU for the state development, not fit dey overemphasize, say it dey clear from the steps where the government don't take so far to try bring the university back to life.
On behalf of the newly inaugurated Governing Council of the Ambrose University, we want to express our profound gratitude for giving us the opportunity to administer the affairs of our beloved university. There is no doubt that education is the key to our future in Edo State, and the role the university we so love will play in our future development cannot be overemphasized. It is very clear from the steps you have taken so far, you are truly committed to supporting the university and bringing the university back to life again. On behalf of the new council, I want to assure you, with your continued support, we will settle point. For many people, you know me first as a politician. And for many people, you know I don't belong to the same party with the government. But what today's event has shown is that in the interest of the development of the university, the governor has put forward a very strong to turn the fortunes of the university. Once again, on behalf of the members of the council and the management team of the university, we want to thank you for this opportunity. God bless you.
Ogbonge people wey join the governor for the inauguration na in Deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idausa, Secretary to the State Government Barrister Musa Ehilo, Chief of Staff to the Governor Gani Audu, former Deputy Governor of the State Comrade Philip Shaibu, former Minister of State Budget and Economic Planning Prince Clem Agba, former Member of the House of Representatives Omoregre Ogbede Ihama, among others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.